In this tutorial, I am going to give you 5 ways to filter out unwanted comments on TikTok. Unwanted comments can sometimes tarnish the experience. Fortunately, TikTok offers various features to filter out and manage undesirable comments effectively. 1. Hide all comments until you approve them. Navigate to the settings and privacy under your profile settings. Select privacy and then comments and toggle on filter all comments. Review filtered comments manually and approve or reject them as desired. 2. Filter out specific types of unwanted comments. Tap Filter selected comment types in the comment settings. Choose from the options such as inappropriate content, profanity, or spam, and adjust filter settings for automatic, less control, or more control based on your preferences. 3. Filter out comments by keywords. Enable filter keywords in the comment settings, and enter specific keywords or phrases you want TikTok to filter out from the comments. 4. Follow back reliable followers and only allow them to comment. In comment settings, activate the option to allow comments only from followers you follow back, so you can curate your follower list and to include trusted individuals, creating a safer commenting environment. Lastly, 5. Block all comments. Access comment settings and choose to allow comments from no one. Alternatively, deactivate comments on individual posts before sharing or utilize quiet time to block and report harassing users and adjust filter settings accordingly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.